Welcome to Tech Vibes as we safely explore the LG TV service menu step by step. Place the LG TV remote on a table and make sure the LG TV is powered on. Move your hands to the LG TV remote and press the LG TV settings button once. Hold the LG TV settings button again until the LG TV settings menu appears. Use the LG TV remote arrows to highlight the LG TV general option. Scroll down on the LG TV menu until about this LG TV is visible. Press OK on the LG TV remote to open LG TV system information. Focus your hands on the LG TV remote and prepare to enter the LG TV code. Press 1105 slowly on the LG TV remote keypad. Watch the LG TV screen closely for the LG TV password prompt. When prompted, enter 0000 using the LG TV remote. If needed, try 0413 as an alternate LG TV service password. Keep your hands steady while the LG TV service menu loads. Confirm the LG TV service menu appears with advanced LG TV options. Avoid changing random LG TV values to prevent LG TV issues. Navigate the LG TV service menu using only LG TV arrow buttons. Check LG TV panel information carefully inside the LG TV menu. Review LG TV firmware details shown in the LG TV service screen. Do not reset the LG TV unless you fully understand LG TV settings. If the LG TV menu does not open, press back on the LG TV remote. Power off the LG TV using the LG TV remote power button. Unplug the LG TV power cable from the LG TV wall socket. Wait 30 seconds to fully discharge the LG TV internal power. Plug the LG TV power cable back into the LG TV outlet. Turn on the LG TV and repeat the LG TV steps carefully. Make sure the LG TV remote has fresh batteries for LG TV input. Keep the LG TV pointed directly toward the LG TV remote sensor. Try the LG TV code again with slow and firm LG TV button presses. Confirm the LG TV service menu opens without flickering. Navigate LG TV options gently to avoid LG TV misconfiguration. Never change LG TV calibration values unless repairing LG TV hardware. Exit the LG TV service menu using the LG TV back button. Check if the LG TV returns to the normal LG TV home screen. Test LG TV picture and sound after closing LG TV service mode. If LG TV settings changed accidentally, restart the LG TV. Power cycle the LG TV again if the LG TV behaves oddly. Always document LG TV settings before adjusting LG TV options. Use the LG TV service menu only for LG TV diagnostics. Avoid factory reset inside the LG TV service menu. Keep hands away from LG TV internal hardware during LG TV use. The LG TV service menu is hidden for LG TV technicians. Incorrect LG TV changes may void LG TV warranty. Close the LG TV menu completely before normal LG TV viewing. Confirm LG TV remote buttons respond normally after LG TV exit. Observe the LG TV screen for any warning signs. If LG TV problems appear, unplug the LG TV immediately. Reboot the LG TV to restore LG TV stability. The LG TV is now back to safe LG TV mode. Your LG TV service menu access is now complete. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes for safe LG TV troubleshooting.